dear students, good morning. Can we start today's lesson? That is, in previous class what we discussing? We discussing the construction, is it? Yes, the construction is the angle constructions. That is, we already know that how to draw an angle with a 60 degree or 45 degree or 75 degree with the help of protractor. Here we use the only compass, ruler, scale only. Is it? Yes. That is, here next question is, have you done your homework? Yes. Good. That is, in fourth question, construct the following angles and verify by measuring by a protractor 75 degree, 105 degree, 135 degrees. Is it? Yes. That is, first is we want to draw a 75 degree. That is, we draw a ray first. For the question, exercise 11.1. Page number 190. That is, first we draw a ray. That is, name the ray OA. And next we want to draw the 75 degree. So first we draw the 90 degree. That is, the 90 degrees we draw an arc centered from O. In same radius, we mark the arcs. And we take the more than half of this arc. We join the lines. This is 90 degree. And we already know that this is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Already know that. That is, this is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This is 90. That is, this means this is 30 degree. That is 90 minus 15 we get 75. That is half of 30 degree is 15. So we make the bisector of this angle. That is, we take half of, more than half of this point and D. And from center as D, then we join this to O. This is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. This is the required figure. And also we know that next is question is 105 degree. 105 degree. For that, we make a arc, that is we know that 90 plus 15 we get 105. So we first draw a 90 degree, that is this is O. This is O. This is A, red. This is B, and we mark points. And we take the more than half of this length. And we join these points. This is 90 degree, and this is 30 degree. That is, we know that this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. This is the bisector. So this is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. That is, next we take the bisector of this angle. C, D, E, F. That is, we take the bisector of angle E or D. That is this one. That is, we take the more than half of the length of ED as center. We mark a arc, and here is also a, and we join these points. That means this is 105 degree. This is 105 degree. This is 105 degree. And next one is 135 degree. 135 degree. One hundred 35 degree. For that, first we draw a arc. This is O and this is A. We mark a semicircle. And we make same arcs, and next first we draw 90 degree, that is and this is 90 degree. And when we the left side of arc, this is also 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. That means we take this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. We want to make it as 45 degree, that is 90 plus 45, we get 135. So we take the half of, more than half of these points. H, G, C, D, F, that is more than H and G, then and we draw the line. Then we get 135 degree. 135 degree. 135 degree. Next question is, construct an equilateral triangle given its side and justify the construction. That is, first we try equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So we want to try equilateral triangles as you like. The length. So first we draw a side of 4 cm. Equilateral triangle side is 4 cm. That is, first we draw a line. And next is we draw a arc for A. We take 4 cm into compass. We cut the ray. That is, we draw a 4 cm length arc. And also same radius and 4 cm. We take as center as B. Draw a arc. Then these points or these arcs are joined in the point C. We join O to C. And B to C. That is, OBC is a equilateral triangle outside 4 cm. Outside 4 cm. Outside 4 cm. Outside 4 cm. OBC is a triangle outside 4 cm. Equilateral triangle outside 4 cm. This is the our exercise 11.1. And next is we are going to discuss about which one? We are discuss about some construction of triangles. Already we studied the construction of equilateral triangle. Next we are going to study some construction of triangles. That is, first one is to construct triangle given its base, a base angle and sum of other two sides. The base angle and sum of other two sides. Second one is to construct triangle given its base, a base angle and the different of the other two sides. Different of the other two sides. And third one is to construct a triangle given its perimeter and its two base angle. And its two base angle. That is, first one is, that is, we are directly going to our exercise 11.2. Page number 195. And previous exercise, the page number is just mistake. The page number is 191. I just write 190. That is a mistake. So you just remember that our exercise 11.2, page number 195. First question is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 cm and angle B equal to 75 degree and AB plus AC equal to AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. That is, first we draw which one? A line with 7 cm. That is, and next is we draw the angle, that is BC 7 cm. And next we mark the angle B 75 degree. We just draw a line. Next, we cut the line at 13 cm. That is, AB equal to AB plus AC. Is it? That is, AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. That is, we just draw the line. That is, this angle is 75 degree. And here is the red, we write it as X. And what is the third step? Cut the line segment BD as equal to AB plus AC. That is, AB plus AC is, we cut the BD as 13 cm. BD as 13 cm. That is, we join the line CD or DC. We join the line DC, and next is what is, we make the angles and angle angle DCY. DCY. That is, we draw a line to AB. That is, we draw a line to C to Y. And next is, what is, this is Y, this is A, and this angle is equal to this angle. DCY equal to BDC. DCY equal to BDC. That is, we get triangle ABC. That is, we get triangle ABC. That is, CY intersect BX. CY intersect BX at A. That is, triangle ABC is recurrent triangle. That is, we name AS. That is, naming AS. So first we draw the base BC. Next we make the angle B as 75 degree. And next is, what is, cut the line segment BD as AB plus AC. BD plus, that is, AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter. AB plus AC. That is, this is 7 centimeter. That is, this is 6 centimeter. Is it? Yes. That is, after B, we can take as AB as 6 centimeter. We can cut it as 6 centimeter. AB plus AC. And next we make this angle and this angle equal. This angle, this one and this is made to be equal. Then we get CX. Is it? Yes. And next is second question. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC. AB minus AC. AB minus AC equal to 3.5. AB minus AC equal to 3.5. That is, first we draw the line BC, given line, that is 8 centimeter. We name it BC. And next is, we make the angle as 45 in a ray, that is B angle XBC. Angle XBC, that is 45 degree. This is the ray X, that is, this angle is 45. And next is, what is the next step? Next step, cut the line segment BD as, that is, BD as 3.5. That is, AB minus AB minus AC. Is it? AB minus AC as, that is we make, here is B, that is 3.5, and we joining the DC. Joining the DC. Next is, what is next process? What is the next process? Next we draw a perpendicular bisector, say PQ of DC. That is, next we draw a perpendicular bisector for DC. For that perpendicular bisector, we take more than half of DC and we draw the arc as center as D. And draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Next, let it intersect BX. That is, this is intersecting. And that point is our A. We join A to C, then we get the triangle ABC. This is the required triangle. This is the required triangle. First we draw the base BC 8 cm. Next we measure the angle 90 degree and we take, sorry, not 90 degree, 45 degree, and we take D as the cutting of BX. We cut BX, the point D in BX as 3.5 cm, and we join D to C, and we draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. The perpendicular bisector DC is intersecting with the line of BX or ray BX, and we can join the points of intersection of the line. We name the point as A, then we joining A to C. We joining A to C. Okay. And fourth question is for your homework. And fifth question is, what is our fifth question? Fifth question is, construct a right triangle whose base is 12 cm and sum of hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. Sum of hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. That is, first is right angle triangle ABC, and base is 12 cm. That is, we take DC as 12 cm, and AB plus AC equal to 18 cm. That is, first we draw the base 12 centimeter. And we name BC and next is second is we make the angle as XBC equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And X. We cut BX in D point as 18 centimeter. That is, we join the points. Next, we join the point D and C. And next we draw the perpendicular bisector of CD to intersect BD. That is, we take the more than half of CD and we joining the lines and then we get point on A. This is not a correct figure, so I get like this. When you draw in correct measurement, you get in A here. That is, we can join A and C, then we get the right hand triangle ABC. Right hand triangle ABC. That is, the triangle ABC is right angled, so you get the solution. That is, here we finish our 11th chapter. That is, in this chapter we discussing the construction. That is, construction means we use the geometrical materials. We have a geometry box. In that box we have scale, ruler, protractor and two types of square. One square is 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. Another one square is 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. And also you can draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. We studied the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. And also we can study, first we studied how to draw an angle of 60 degree. First we draw a ray, then we mark a arc as you like the radius, then you can draw the 60 degree. Then we already studied the 45 degree, the 15 degree, 22 and a half degree, 75 degree, 105 degree and 135 degree. And also we studied how to draw the triangles, equilateral triangles. That is, you can draw the equilateral triangles. You take how much you want. We first draw a ray and then we mark the point with the help of compass. And then we mark the two arcs. Then the arcs are intersecting. Then we join the intersecting point and the ray points. Then we get the equilateral triangle. And next we studied how to draw the triangle given its base and sum of two other sides. And next we studied to construct the triangles given its base and base angle and the different other two sides. And next we studied constructed triangle given its perimeter and its two base angles. Perimeter and two base angles. These are we discussing in this chapter. Okay. So you just constructing the triangles or angles. When you construct, you must use pencils. Don't use pens, and you just draw with the neat, or you must construct with the neat. Don't scratch the construction. So I wish you a good day. Today I conclude my class. Okay, bye.